me. Hi guys, welcome to session of the AI video edit tutorial. Firstly, we will create an image through the app I send you, and for the rest just pay attention to tutorial. If you don't have app, inbox me.
And now we go to straight to the app for generating the image. Find the Imagine AI. So it's that enter. Tap continue to app.
I want it, I got it, yeah, I want it, I got it.
Then after that, type your prompt. Let's go for 3D cartoon image of a cat riding bicycle. Just a short one. 3D image of a cat riding bicycle. This is very easy to use. So you just, if you want to use any style, that's why I said you must use this app because it shows you many filters. But just go generate no style. If you want to use style, you can use it. And then you watch ads of 2 ads. So now you see the image, you just tap on the download, you see image save, and then from there you go to your Chrome. As you are seeing up here, Elua AI, you see it right, Elua AI. You can even see it up here, Elua AI. And then from there you see this plus button, that is after you generated your image. You see this plus button, and then you tap it. You should wait. My phone is somehow slow due to all night playing with it. Now it's slow unless I have to restart all that stuff. And then boom, you are here. Now you will see drag, paste, or click image to click to upload an image. So you just tap the image, and then you see, now you see all the image I have here. I will just use this cat that we just downloaded here and tap down. So when tapping down, you see this space, I'm talking about this whole space. You tap here, and then when you tap, you see your keyboard rising up, and then you input what you want. Like this, due to the image, it is a cat riding the bike, so we will just use a cat riding bicycle. And then if you want to use another trick, you use command and put speed gesture. But if you don't good at it, don't try it, bro. and then you will see this use of 30 coin. You see it, right? Okay, you tap this 30 coin, and then when you tap to start loading, you see one job in Quake. But now you just tap this one job in Quake and tap it. I have now tapped it. Now you will see my image loading. 7%, 13, oh, now video is done, so let's watch together. You tap the video and then wait for it to load. Then we play. Then we see the cat riding the bicycle, right? So that is how it is done. Well, in the next teaching, that is after I get some rest and try to update my phone system, because now it's running slow. So in the next one, I will learn you guys how to add sound to it, like all my videos, and how to do some tricks.